Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners. You're going to love these beautiful dry molded carbon fiber overlays for your side tail lights, or what's commonly known as the charging port on the Model 3 and the Model Y. Doesn't that look great? It really complements the spoiler. It also looks great when you have a smoked out reflector. Now, one of our most popular and affordable kits for your tail lights is this smoked out taillight film. This is a 6-piece kit. It's for the back taillights and the side reflectors. So it's not illegal to cover this anywhere in the United States because it still reflects. Now it does block 85% of the light coming off, but it still reflects at night. So anyway, if you buy this kit for the overlaps for the taillights, it'll look exactly like this when you install it. So let's take a look at the passenger side, where we already have it installed, on the driver's side. So over here on your charging port, you can see that when you touch your charging port, it still opens like normal, especially when you have the door unlocked. These are our awesome tail lights. These are the Night Rider lights. So these are great. They're already smoked, and they have a great boot up sequence. But let's take a look at this. So you see we've installed it on here now. This is an older version with a lightning bolt, but it fits great. It doesn't interfere with the opening and closing of the charging port. It wraps all the way around the edge. And now we're going to proceed with the installation. Let's go over here. We'll do this real quick. What we need, of course, is a clean vehicle. And when you do the passenger side, you can't open and close it. So we're going to remove all the tape, but we're going to clean it first. Now, all of our cars in our showroom have a ceramic coating on them. The ceramic coating needs to be removed, just like wax or anything like that. So we're going to really clean this until we hear that squeaky clean. All right, so we're done with that. And again, we're not going to give you adhesive promoter. We don't think it's needed. We also think that adhesive promoter is great on paint, but on plastic it can damage it in the long run. So just make sure you've got it really clean, no oil, no grease on here. Feel it with your finger. It should be rough. It shouldn't be smooth. And if you clean it with alcohol and removed everything, it'll look just like that and feel like that. So here's how we install it. I'm going to switch. And again, we're going to hold that same angle. So we got our before photo. Now, you just put it right on like this. Put it right on the top. Look how you can remove it if you don't like where you put it. But hook the back of it over the edge like this and go all the way up to the top. There. And we're on strong. And we're on here. And it's fitting perfect. So you're just going to peel and stick. And if for some reason you need to move it, I'm going to switch with you again. If you have to move it, you can still raise it up and move it. Okay, again, it's made out of 2x2 twill carbon fiber. It matches the spoilers perfect. It's wrapping around the car. Notice the direction and the flow. So airflow is going around the car. Same thing on this side. The direction is going around the car, just like our spoilers and all of our other products, like our new diffuser coming out soon for the Model Y. And again, this fits the 3 and the Y. So let's keep applying pressure. And if you hear ticking sounds like that, it means it's not sitting flat. So you got to keep pressing and pressing until the pressure-sensitive adhesive double-sided tape is fully grabbing. So please just keep pushing. Push, push, push. There. It's almost perfect now because it's not resisting. Now when you do the driver's side, it'll be open. So just support it underneath, apply pressure. Now, normally you should put some tape on here to hold it down if you're going to drive the car immediately. It takes 72 hours for the tape to fully bond. Last is our smoked taillight. So we're going to go back and take the same picture in the same exact angle. Now, this is the film you get with our taillight kit. And this is transparent, but very dark over reflectors. And look at how easy this is to put on. Just line the corner up, just like that. And You can pull it on and off. Get it right up to the edge of the corner and go straight across the top. Don't stretch it. And if you get too far off there, just back it up a little bit like this. And again, we recommend putting this on before you put on the carbon fiber piece. We just wanted to get some images before and after. So here how it fits all the way there, and it fits great. Okay, so again, this would be complete underneath the carbon fiber if we put it on after. Let's show you on the other side where we did it in the correct order. But this film is very easy to install. You could trim it if you wanted to. But let's go over to the driver's side, and you'll notice that we put the tape on first and then the carbon piece over. So you get a real nice clean look. Here it is opening up again. It fits nice and flush, and look at how the edge is rolled all the way around. So it's a very nice molded overlay, dry carbon, and they're in stock now at RPM Tesla. And of course, there's no lightning bolt, just a nice, smooth, clean look. Thanks again for watching RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Okay, now we're going to do the driver's side. And with the car locked, we're going to see if the charging port opens. It shouldn't open, but you might want to disable your phone key, Bluetooth as well. So now we're going to install it the same way, and we won't have to deal with the opening and closing. So put it right over the corner, both sides on the top, and push down. All the way over, all the way around. To the bottom. Okay. Fits great, it looks perfect. And again, we installed this first and put this over the top so you can see the difference. Okay, just apply a lot of pressure until you hear the ticking sound go away. And once it goes away, you know that it's sticking good. And tape it down if you're going to drive it so it won't blow off in the wind. 72 hours to fully bond. Thanks again for watching.